So let's just say if you're a top performer in any sport, doesn't matter if it's racing, football, basketball, whatever, you are going to get drug tested. I mean, everyone probably will at some point, but if you're a top guy, probably more than the rest. Well, that right there is another test result for Chase Sexton. Apparently, this is his seventh time, or right here. Yeah, this is from his dad, posted on his Instagram, saying 7 times this year he has been tested, and that's maybe not abnormal. And who knows how often that guy right there, Jet Lawrence, is also being tested, but 7 times a year is a lot. And it's one of those things. If you're Chase, let's just play the hypothetical. If you know that you're getting tested that often, whether it's once a month, once every randomly 2 months, who knows, whatever it is, whatever the number would be. If you know you're getting tested 7 times in a year, we're 6 months in, so over once a month, you know, you're not going to do it because the chances are that you're going to keep getting tested. The chances are that you get away with taking some sort of enhancement drug is very slim because it's not like one of the guys at the, bottom end, the 20, 25, who, hey, if they take a little something here or there and they finish 20th, most people probably aren't even going to notice. You know, 5 positions at the midfield, it's not a really big deal. If you go from like 40th to like 15th, then you might actually get some looking. But for somebody like Chase, who has got all the managers and trainers and nutritionists and everything under the sun that you can do to optimize yourself, you're not going to be stupid enough to take a test or take something that's going to give you that extra little bit just to maybe win an extra race or two when you know you're getting tested this often. And it's, who knows how you want to think of this. It's either good because it's keeping everybody honest that, hey, we know we're going to track you, we're going to track you, so don't do it. Or B, it's one of those things. It's like at a certain point you got to say he's not going to do it because the loss is not there for him. If he's already finishing first and second or racing up towards the top, you know, who knows what he would actually need to improve that. And he knows he's going to get tested, he's going to get watched, and something like this is just funny to me. But it sucks that, I mean, the good thing is it's a piss test. It's not blood or it's not anything like that. It's super invasive. It's just say, hey, here's a cup, go pee in it, move on. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you think at a certain number you can only do so many per year? Or is it just whatever? These guys signed up to make a bunch of money racing a bike, so they should get tasted as much as they want, or as much as the AMA wants. I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about it. Uh, who do you think wins 250s, 450s? What do you think of Jet's maybe quote unquote injury? And yeah, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see you later. Peace.